Good day, my people. Welcome to Farming with Rasta. This is Ras Jobe in the farm again, bringing you another chapter of what I planted. So I'm gonna do some yam this morning, digging a yam this morning for you to see how Ras Jobe big yam. Partly for the quality of the field, it's a little bit on the bush, but it's winter time, rainy time, so we're gonna go to the yam and see what we can find in here today. We show you how Ras Jobe deal with yam right through the year, so I can eat yam right through the year, and I'm gonna show you how I do it to have yam right through the year. So let's begin. Let's begin. Here we go. You know, here we go. I use this to get deeper into the ground because the earth kind of a little bit frozen up here now. So we use this to get into there. And this is what I do. You know, if you don't want to eat a lot of rice, this is how we do things. Not a lot of ground provision. So I love my yam. So this is how we going down there and dig. So we're going, getting close. Oh, yeah. Already still in. Yeah. Okay. So here we are now. This is a little bit small, but we're gonna work with it. So I will show you how you deal with it. So I'm gonna cut it off right here. There you go. Okay, you're gonna remove this, which is the food. Gonna remove it. That's what I need. Okay, it's broken, so we're gonna take out the other piece. There's the piece down there. Yeah. The earth is kind of cold, so it's a little bit sleepy, tough. So you have to go in there with the cutlass, get a piece of yam, that left. See? Okay, because I'm having a little problem getting it out, so I'm gonna use this thing that digs it out properly. Here comes the yam. See? Oh, break again. We're gonna get out all the pieces of the yam right down to the bottom. Okay, you take that out. Okay. Now one more thing to do. I gotta tear. Just get it round off, clean around it. Let it become round, you square right around it. When you're doing this, don't make sure so you don't lose all the root that are back behind the hill. You gotta leave root for this to come back with some yam. So what I'm doing here, I'm just paring it right round. There you go. That's all you need. And what I'm gonna do now, gonna do this. This is much easier. What I'm doing. Okay. You know, when the yam come down now, this is now just like come down and nice and smooth and pretty and clean. So I'm gonna mold it back up. In a sense, why I do this, I need more dirt to rebuild up there. So that will give me the amount up. See, so when you push back the dirt up, it will just mold easily. But when the yam start coming down in that, now you get a beautiful yam coming down in the trash. Just beautiful, easy to come out. Here we go. That's one. And we're gonna go into this one. Sometimes you plant one yam in the but you plant two. So I'm gonna. You should get bigger yam. You should get bigger yam than that. But because of it's the first bearing, and this bearing you're gonna get here now, that's only one yam come out of that. When this come back again, because here you have the green. It's still green, and the stalk down here is still young. If it was fitter, then you'd have to cut off the vine, and let it spring back again. But this way, when it's young, you do it now. So when it send back yam down again, you get 3-4 yam, straight yams going down, and more huge yams. So this is how we do it. So we're gonna go to this one and see what we have. Okay, let's get into this one and see. See what we have here. We're gonna go down in it. Go down with this one. So we're doing that one over there already. So we come into this one and see what we can find in this one and do the same thing like what we did over there to this one. So within another 3 months, this yam is ready. And you do the same, after you take them off, you do the same thing again. But if you see this get more ripe and you see the leaf them turning yellow, that means the yam is totally fit, so you have to take off the stalk. Cut this off and let him spring again, anew. And you will get the same, you do the same result. So right through the year, you will always have yam to eat. Not just one time of the year, all right through the year. I don't know if you can do it anywhere else, but I know in St. Mary, that's how St. Mary people do their yam. They teach me this, and it's lovely. It's a nice way of dealing with it. So these yam now, they're very small, because they're the first time you're digging them. So what I'm doing now is to set them how I want them, so that I can get the yam I want out of it every year. So I'm gonna do this the same, because if you look at these yam, they're fit. Some of them are ready. If you let them too long in there, they turn and worms start eating them out. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm showing you how to do yam, and you can do the same thing and you get the same result every year. Right through the year, you have yam to eat. This is going through this one now. See how far it goes. Gonna see how far it goes, and then here we go. Here's the yam right here. Sometimes it may not go straight down, it may turn. Like how you see this one kind of making a turn. So what I'll do this time, I'm gonna do the same thing I did to that one. Shit. Get involved with some of these insects, what they call ants. They bite very hard. These ants, they're terrible when they bite. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing I did to this one, so watch me again. And make sure, see? Make sure you don't destroy all the root. You've got to have root, else this will die. Even one root is good, but try to get more than one. Try to get more than one. So, I'm gonna take this yam out and do that one again. There you go. Trying to get to this yam. I'm gonna be doing this as I have done to this. Remember now, try your best. Here you go. So beautiful the yam looks. This is fit, ready. See, it's ready. If you don't take him off now, then it's gonna stay there and just rotten down and then re-sprout. So, but what you're doing here now, you're gonna reprogram back yam now. So what I'm gonna do, watch what I'm doing. I'm gonna go around this. When you go around it, try don't cut off the the roots. Just try to pare down like that. See, all I get is yam. You're paring off the food. I'll leave the head. See? You're leaving that. Now this, with the root at the back now, you're going to cover it back. And all of this now going to form a yam. And then you'll find 1 yam, 2 yam or 3 yam coming down. One going that way, and 2 coming down that way. So you may come and when you dig this one, or you see 2 nice yam here and you dig and take out and when you take a stock, you have another yam back there or 2 other yam back there. So sometimes when you don't want all of the yam now, you have to leave a lot in the hole because you have too much outside. So I'm gonna finish getting this out and then cover it back. So gotta get the yam out of this. And that's what I'm doing right now. There you come. Here's the crumbs. Good. So this still have a little bit, this little white tip you have here. We call it the tail of the yam. Still going down. So still could go more because it's turned white here. That means they still have more to go. A lot more to go. But like I said, when the first bearing will give you something like this. So you have to, there you go. That's what comes out of it. So what we're going to do again is do the same thing I did with this yam. Get some trash. So when this yam come down, or your yam come down in the rotten of the trash, you're still getting food to the yam. And the yam look beautiful and clean. So here we go. So that's it for this one. So there's yam in between right here. The stick that I put them on is all falling down. So I wanted to take you another place where I can find a nice yam in the ground in the new field that we started. That's the last field and that's the last one we did of the new field. Well, this is what it is now. So we're going to dig a yam in the new part. This is a new field. How beautiful. Look at how many plantings we have here. I got lots of plantings. YouTube, Mr. YouTube and Mrs. YouTube, look here. Let's find what we want. Here we are. Okay. Here we are now. Doing this yam. As you look here, you can see the yellowness of the leaf. How yellow the leaf is. That means this yam is fit and ready. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with the yam up there. But this possibly dry down and then spring back. But I'm going to do the same thing with this yam and show you. So I'm supposed to find a better, thicker yam in this one. So let's go. Let's see what we have. Little time, we gotta get into this. So we are now, as I said in this one is a more fitter yam. As you see the leaf or the yellow up, so you know this is a fit yam. There you go. There it is. See the difference? Yeah. This one is very fit. But I'll do it the same way as I did the first one. So we're going down now into it. Get rid of these tree roots. Put on my way. There you go. There we go. So this is more fit. This is a fit yam. Ready. So this one is more ready. So I gotta get into this. This one's a little bit deep down. Just gotta get down there. Let's see what we have. In this. So in a little time, we gotta get into this. So we are now, as I said in this one is a more fitter yam. As you see the leaf or the yellow up, so you know this is a fit yam. There you go. There it is. See the difference? Yeah. This one is very fit. But I'll do it the same way as I did the first one. So we're going down now into it. Get rid of these tree roots. Put on my way. There you go. There we go. So this is more fit. This is a fit yam. Ready. So this one is more ready. So I gotta get into this. This one's a little bit deep down. Just gotta get down there. This yam was the last one I planted before. After I plant those up there. And these ones are ready before these ones. Because they're more in the sun. They get more sunlight. So you get the sunlight give you a faster return of your yam. There you go. You look at it, you see the white, frosty. Shows you how fit the yam is. Going down, so this one is gonna go down a little. It's a little bit down more. See? Going down now, see it going down? I have to dig some more so that I can get to the bottom of this yam. Yeah, I gotta get into it. I have to get deep into it. I'll get to this yam. very cold, the dirt, so it get lumpy, wet, you know, so just have to do the best you can.
I'm kind of good on this thing. Yeah.
So,
it's better.
There you go. We're going somewhere. We're getting somewhere. But it's tough. The dirt is so tough. Because of the winter, it's kind of a little bit chilly. Get rid of this root. Yeah. Takes a little time because the dirt is tough. But we're getting somewhere. Yep, we're getting somewhere. Oh, I'm getting somewhere. I'm getting there. We're gonna get there. So, and you see the beauty of the yam. So far it is already. And I still have a lot more to go. Like I said, this one is more fitter than the one I just leave you with, just show you what I did. But this is a fitter yam. This is well ready. So we're gonna try to go as deep as we can to get what we can get out of it. So here we go. So you see the chain. I'll show you what the changes are making now. You notice it's going straight down. But I'll show you something else now. Watch this. See, it start getting wider. See? Start getting wider. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna take it off now and get down further. Okay. If you look again, here you see, trying to find the head. See? There's the head right there. By any chance, you know, you can find when you go down like this, then you find another foot behind there and it's gone the other way. So you have 2 foot going down there and you start getting bigger. So watch what I'm going to do this time again. I'm going to cut you right off. Watch the roots. Don't destroy the root. There you go. That's it. So, this is what I'm going to do. I remove the head. So, I'm going to bottle this now to get it out. Hear what I'm doing now? Kind of giving it a tease. Loosen it up. There you go. Damn it. Okay. Not in one piece, maybe not in one piece, but we're gonna get her out. We're working on it to get her out. Try to get her out in one piece, but let's see what happens. And this one piece yam, so pretty. This yam look. Let's see what goes on, you know. See if anything at the back. It's gonna break for sure. I hate when the yam broke. Don't like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you another thing before I finish dig. So here's what I pare off. So what you're gonna get here now, you're gonna cut it right here. This is the food, and this is another head. So you're gonna set this in the ground and let it sprout, or you dig the ear like I did, like that. You dig the ear like this. See? With that one here, that's just not much long plant this. So you dig a hill like this now, and you have this after you take off the food. This has the head. Then you open and you stuck it in the ground like that and cover them over. Just leave this little piece here. Most important still, if you got the white name there, which is the pesticide that you know you use on vegetable, you could spray some of this on the bottom of this or over the yam, so that worm don't eat the yam before it sprout. You got a worm they call August worm. They will eat this right down to the ground before it starts putting up a sprout. So what I do, I get some of the pesticide that I use on my vegetable and just dip them in there, set them on a nice little place where they can sprout, and then I put them, dig the hill, put them in the hill. So this is one head. This is the head. This is the food. That's food. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna finish take out the food. So this is more food. Look at the beauty. See? That's very nice. White affu yam. This is the white one. The yellow one is different from this one, but it's the same family and it's the same yam, but this is only white, and the other one the same way the leaf looks, same everything, but one is white and the other one is yellow. So we're gonna finish take this out and see what we can, how far it goes. So let's dig some more. But you have to get the rest out, because if you don't take that piece out and you leave a little piece in there, it's gonna sprout and come right up like this, and it's gonna show you a bigger sprout than this coming from down there. And when you think it's a nice yam and you dig going down, you're going right back down there with the vine going right back down there, because that piece of yam has to come right back up. So you have to leave that piece of yam, and then by another year or two, that yam will come right up. But it takes a little time, so you take it out of the hole. Take it out, because it confuses you with the one you just planted. So take it out completely. That's what I'm going to do here now. Take it out completely. So I'm working on it now to get it out. So this is what I'm finishing this. Take this out so far I can go. Get it out from down there. So the dirt is like clay, tough. See? When you go further down in the soil, you go down, when you go down, you reach to some yellow clay. And that's where it gets tight, see? Full of gum. That's a real clay, so it's very hard in the winter time to dig a yam when it's gone way down like this. You can't use your cutlass to dig it. That's why I'm using this digger here. Get in there and dig out what I want. Get it. How beautiful the yam looks. This is the white affu yam, and you have the yellow one, looking the same, but it is yellow, and this one is white. This one grows very well in this part of in St. Mary. this yam grows better than the yellow one to me, where I'm at. So what we're doing here is trying to finish taking out the food. And finish take out the food. So here we are going at the food. But the dirt is so tough. Put it down to the clay now. Okay. So we got to the last of it now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover this hole, but we're gonna get some trash and put into it. So what we could do still, so as you see there now, I haven't finished yet, so I'm gonna go around this now again. Peering. See? Okay. I lost a root there, but you have roots still holding it, at least a couple of roots there. So that is okay as is. You know, so good. That's it now. So I'm gonna get some trash. I'm probably gonna dig this one. I might as well I finish dig this one because it has food in it. And it's ready. Good. So what we're gonna do now, we don't have to really push up button. We're gonna go to this one a little. See what we got up there. Yeah. Right there. So this don't look big enough, but it's ready. It's just because there's a smaller head, so you get a smaller yam. The bigger the head, you get a bigger yam. The smaller the head, you get a small yam. So I'll yam like this now. If you don't want to take it out now, you leave it. And it rotten down and come back again, so you get a bigger sprout. And the bigger the sprout is the bigger the yam is. So I'll take a look at this and see how much yam could be in it. Yam is there, but it's gonna be small, as you see already going down. Let's go down a little further and see what happens. It's a nice yam. As you go further down, it probably look a little bit different too. Let's go further. Let's explore a little bit further and see what we get. Okay, let's dig in and see what we got. Let's dig in. Alright, let's see what we got here. Don't worry, this is gonna be covered. So, okay, so as you see, we're going straight, and I thought I'm going straight down, but if you notice, because of the dirt is so hard up, she made a turn. So that's not bad for me. I like that, because I can go into the softer dirt here and find where she turned off and how far she goes across. So let's dig out here and see how far she goes across. Don't think it goes too far, but we'll see how far across she goes. There she goes. So she's gonna look for the softer dirt, more soft. So she's not gonna go too far. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing, and then I will know where I'm at. So I'm gonna go here. I can never get a yam out of this. You notice how up here is red? Because it's closer to the sun. So here am I going to take off the head now. Here's the head. That's the head. That's the food. So here goes food again. And there goes head. So far now I make myself 2 heads. 2 heads I make right now. So I'm gonna... And another thing I want to show you. If you have a piece of the yam looking like this, and it is long like this, you don't have to eat it. You can, this is very good to plant back at this size, about this length, with this white piece here. So this is the old thing here, and you cut it off there, so you plant back the whole of this. You don't eat this, you can plant it back, because that will grow. So you would make at least 3 heads there now. You can make a lot of heads out of your yam, if you know what you're doing. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna finish taking this out. Take out this piece of yam. I have to. Can't let it grow back. Don't leave it to ratoon. We call it ratoon. That's what we say. So it regrow. So you're taking it out. Taking it out. A nice little piece of yam gone down there, so I gotta go for it. I gotta go get it. There we go. Break again. They're too tight. So you see how the yam turn off? Now it's gone way down now. I'm close. She start getting whitish. So you know I'm near to the bottom. So I'm gonna continue. Coming up. Come on. Come. There you go.
Still break.
Break again. Okay. Anyway, we're right there. That's not one, just a little piece about that leaf in there. So we're not gonna fight ourselves on that. What we're gonna do, just gonna see. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna stuff this with some more paper again, some more trash, and then cover. Cover it now. It's gonna be a little bit hard to push back up the dirt, but gotta do what you have to do. So I'm gonna try to do what I have to do. There you are now. That's what we get as food out of this little area, just this one yam. And this is the head that we're gonna plant back. So here's the head and there's the food. So totally what we have here, this is what we have from the old farm and the new farm. So now this is what we got now. So if you go to the market to buy this amount of yam, it's going to cost you X amount of dollars to get this amount of food. So when you plant it, like how I plant my food here now and I'm reaping now, this is what I get. I don't have to go to the market and ask them to sell me. This piece of yam probably weigh about 2 or 3 pounds for $200 a pound or $300 a pound. I plant my own, so I don't have to pay no money for nothing now. So this is my reaping. So to my viewers and my subscribers, this is what Ras Jobe is all about in the farm. returning from the diaspora after 50 years. I'm so happy to do all of this, to return to my real roots of who I am as a Rasta man. So this is what we've done for the day in Ras Jobe Farm, farming with Ras Jobe. So I thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching. Thank you my 1,000 viewers and subscribers. I thank you very much for watching Ras Jobe, and I see you when we do another video again. This is Ras Jobe signing out, and my viewers and my subscribers and YouTube, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for my viewers. Thank you so much ever again for watching this. So we'll come again with something again for you to see. I'm doing some carrots, some beets. So we're gonna take some pictures of that in the farm again. How I do my catch crop. We call it catch crop. So I'm gonna show you what I've done and how I done my thing. So when we're gonna take the next video, we'll show you from the catch crop how I sow my seeds and what I've done and what is going on right now. So I'm transplanting now, and you know I have to put in my spice, the good old spice that goes to the brain. So you know I have to put that in there. So we're gonna take you from the yam farming to the catch crop, which is planting carrots, beets, onion, so, and the good old herb. So thank you very much, my viewers, for watching. Have a good day.